Good morning. So it is freezing cold out today, but there is a German car meet, so I'm just picking up Jeremy at his house, and then we're gonna, I think, stop and get some coffee, and then go to the car meet. So yeah, should be a pretty good day. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. There he is. There he is. What's up, buddy?
What's going on, bro? Dude, I heard you coffee.
Did you?
We got some coffee. We're in a nice car. What is it? European?
Oh, it's German.
German cars and coffee.
Yeah.
This is gonna be awesome.
So stoked you're here, bro.
For real.
It's been a while.
For real. It has been a minute. It's gonna be a good day. Nice cars, good coffee.
Hopefully.
No, it's gonna be sweet.
Welcome. We are at German Cars and Coffee. We are stuck in a line, and there's way more people than I thought there was going to be. We're just trying to get out of the parking lot to park out somewhere, and hopefully that.
Oh, dude, that is not.
Look at them three.
I looked at that place. I like the colors of it.
Well, I meant show them, not you.
Yeah. Sorry. You gonna park here?
Yes. There's a Porsche right in front of me. You could.
That's a Porsche.
Yeah, that's a Porsche. Show them the Porsche. That's a Porsche.
Get that out of my face.
What were you gonna say?
I love the synchros.
Oh, you love it? You're so he's lying. So we're
This is like the ultimate rig, Jake. I mean, you can't get any better than this. So why would you look at such a cool car like that? Jeez.
So we're standing over here. He's talking about some Duster. I'm like, what are you talking about? I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this Mark 7 or the Synchro, the truck over here. He's like points at this Duster, which is cool,
Dude,
but like,
I think it's a Duster.
whatever it is. I'm saying, dude, this all-wheel drive. I would love to have this truck. Love to have this truck. That is amazing. Jeremy would love to have it. Put him on camera, and then he changes his tune for you guys. But yeah, so we got here obviously late. There's way more people than I thought there was gonna be, like way more people. I should have known on a really crisp and clear day, and sunny day, that a lot of people would What do we got? What is it?
Yeah, Alpina.
Is there a different Z1 with a different front end than that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's why I didn't know. Because I've seen Z1s, but like...
Right, this one's like, because it's Alpina.
Okay.
It's a different design and everything.
Gotcha.
Pretty wacky.
Yeah, no, that's what threw me off. I was just like, what? Crazy. These little minis are so cool. I love these little minis. Dude, I want one. So cool and small. That's so cool. K-swap it?
Awesome.
There's a company.
How dare you, Jacob?
I don't know if we're in Seattle or Portland, but there's a company that, dude, they put Honda engines in it.
Yeah.
So they K-swap them, like, and then they sell them with the engine in it already.
It was like a GSR. I don't know.
That's pretty cool.
But yeah, K-swap would be awesome.
Child just got here with the Mark III. There's a lot of people here. I don't know, I think this maybe reminds me kind of like a Mark II era, because it's so like boxy looking maybe.
One of my favorite cars.
Yeah.
Completely underestimated. Most of the time they have the see, they have the car cell phone, but it's in that
Oh
case.
yeah.
It's got it propped up.
That's so funny. I just like them. I like I like the interior. I like how they look on the outside. Look at this thing. Shorty pickup. That is crazy. Oh, it's all rhino lined. Look at this. Oh, dude. Yes. That's so funny. Jeremy is turning into American Musclehead today. You liking the American Muscle today?
Long as a scoop, buddy.
This is sure beautiful. Just look how awesome this thing is. Just look at the little touches. Look at the steering wheel. Look at the gauges.
Yeah.
Dude, I love that.
I did, yeah.
I didn't notice it, Jeremy did, but the door is up on this side, and on this side, it doesn't open, it just goes down into the body, which is really crazy. I didn't even notice it though. There's a lightning. I remember.
He took out the charger.
Oh, hell yeah. Jeremy's back again once again.
Sorry.
Dude. You know how fun this would be to drive? Just you couldn't not just burn it out the whole time. That's so cool. All right, well, really cool cars and coffee. We are gonna get headed out. We've got a project to get done today. Hopefully get done today.
Killing it.
Killing it.
Oh, there's Jacob's car.
Oh, there's my truck. I want that truck so bad.
He just breaks down.
Oh no, I don't want the engine. Put a TDI in there or something, yeah? Mark 5, here's my car!
Very popular.
Yep. There comes the GT3 behind him. Get out. We got 2 GT3 RSs coming out. Almost. Nice. My car sounds better than that.
What did you think about today, Jake?
It was actually awesome. A little cold. A lot of people, way more people than I thought could ever be there. I think there was more people today than all summer long.
It was a lot.
Thanks for coming with. I appreciate it.
Hey, no problem. I was just there for the Dodge Rams of the European car world.
It's cars and coffee. You know, people can bring whatever. But yeah, there was quite a few German cars there today. There was a really good turnout. It was really awesome, actually.